And there's some breaking news as well coming in at this point in time amidst the controversy over using animal fat in the temples in Andhra Pradesh. Now, Karnataka government has also taken a big decision. Karnataka government has directed all temples under the endowment department to use KMF ghee only for the preparation of the prasad. As per the minister Ramalinga Reddy, most temples in the state use Nandini ghee already, but the circular is now being issued to ensure that all the temples follow this rule very, very strictly. Listen in.
To check with you, sir, there's some information that after this Tirupati Laddu controversy, in Karnataka also there is a plan to ask KMF to use ghee in all the temples.
Yes. I told our officers
Sir.
use only KMF.
Okay. So this is after the Tirupati Laddu controversy,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
Okay. So just wanted to check, sir, this would be applicable for all the temples?
Mujrai temple.
All Mujrai temples. Okay. So you are issued a circular, sir, in this regard?
I'm going to issue.
Today, sir?
I directed it.
Okay, sir.
Right.
So currently, sir, what was the ghee that was being used, or what was the...
Very few temples we have, like a big temple, Kuke and all like that. Usually, they use our Nandini only in Karnataka. 98% they use Nandini only.
Okay.
We'll make sure the 100%.
Let's now go across to my colleague Neha, who is joining us live for more on this. Neha, amidst the row in Andhra Pradesh, we are seeing ripples in Karnataka as well. Big decision there by the minister.
Well, that's absolutely right. Of course, the Karnataka government here, not really taking any chances, trying to tread cautiously as they've now issued a directive to all of the Mujrai temples, all the temples under the endowment department here in the state, to only use KMF manufactured Nandini ghee as far as preparing the prasada is concerned. Of course, this comes after the massive controversy there to do with the TTD temple in Andhra Pradesh. And now what we're also picking up is that the government, of course, would be issuing a formal circular in this regard. But, of course, this is something that had raked up a massive storm there, a huge controversy, and in a bid to ensure that, of course, something similar doesn't really affect the state of Karnataka, the government here directing all temples to make sure that they mandatorily only use ghee that has, in fact, been manufactured by KMF there from the Nandini brand.
All right, Neha, appreciate you joining us with all of those details. With this, we will slip into another very, very short break. More news and updates coming your way on the other side. Don't go anywhere.